Design principles are a set of guidelines that provide best practices for designing software solutions that are efficient, maintainable, and scalable. These principles are a set of recommendations for designing software systems and applications that are effective and easy to maintain. Design principles are important because they provide a set of guidelines that developers can use to ensure that their code is high quality and follows best practices. These principles help developers to write code that is easier to maintain, test, and extend. Additionally, they help developers to avoid common design pitfalls and anti-patterns that can lead to difficult-to-maintain code and software systems. Design principles also help to improve the overall quality of software development. By adhering to design principles, developers can create more efficient, maintainable, and scalable software solutions. This can lead to reduced development time and cost, as well as better overall software performance and reliability. Overall, design principles are essential for any software developer looking to create high-quality, maintainable, and scalable software solutions. By following these principles, developers can ensure that their code is efficient, maintainable, and easy to extend, leading to better overall software quality and improved development outcomes.